In this video, we want to look at one more large answer question, urea cycle. Urea cycle is also known as Krebs-Henseleit cycle. What happened in urea cycle? Amino acid metabolism produce ammonia. This ammonia is toxic to the body and it cannot be excreted properly. Ammonia can converted into urea. The urea is comparatively non-toxic to ammonia and it can be easily excreted by the body in urine. And this conversion of ammonia into urea is known as urea cycle. Conversion of ammonia into urea is known as urea cycle. Part of urea cycle takes place in cytoplasm and part of cycle takes place in mitochondria. Actually begin inside the mitochondria. The combination of carbon dioxide and ammonia produce carbamyl phosphate. This reaction required 2 ATP molecules as well as carbamyl phosphatase enzyme. This reaction required 2 ATP molecule as well as carbamyl phosphatase 1 enzyme. After the formation of carbamyl phosphate combined with ammonia, ornithine leads to formation of citrulline with the help of enzyme ornithine transcarbamylase. This reaction catalyzed by ornithine transcarbamylase enzyme. Citrulline is transported into cytoplasm and it combined with amino acid aspartate and leads to the formation of arginosuccinate. Here also 1 ATP molecule is required. Citrulline with the help of arginosuccinate synthetase enzyme it will converted into arginosuccinate. This arginosuccinate acted upon enzyme arginosuccinate lyase enzyme. It will produce two products, fumarate and arginine. Arginosuccinate will produce two products, fumarate and arginine. This fumarate undergoes TCA cycle. This arginine acted upon enzyme arginase. It produced two products, urea and ornithine. This ornithine utilized back into the urea cycle. Whereas urea is soluble component, it dissolved into the blood and it transported to kidney to be excreted in the form of urine. So in this reaction, 5 different type of enzyme involved. What are the enzyme? First one is carbamyl phosphatase 1. Second one is ornithine transcarbamylase. Third one is arginosuccinate synthetase. Fourth one is arginosuccinate lyase. Fifth one is arginase. These are the 5 important enzymes involved in urea cycle. This one is the notes format. So urea dissolved into blood and transported to kidney, excreted in the form of urine. Let's see what are the clinical signs and symptoms of urea cycle disorders. Clinical symptoms of urea cycle disorders. It causes vomiting, irritability, lethargy, severe mental retardation. So what are the symptoms it will cause? Vomiting, irritability, lethargy and severe mental retardation. 5 different type of enzyme involved in this reaction. Suppose defect or block in this enzyme leads to disorders. First enzyme name is called carbamyl phosphatase 1. Disorder or block of this enzyme, it causes disease name is called as hyperammonemia type 1. It leads to very high ammonia level in blood. Then autosomal recessive. Final one is Mendel retardation. What are the features? Is to have very high ammonia level in blood, autosomal recessive and Mendel retardation. First enzyme name is called carbamyl phosphatase 1. Block or deficiency of this enzyme causes disease name is called hyperammonemia type 1. Second enzyme ornithine transcarbamylase. Defect of this enzyme leads to disease name is called hyperammonemia type 2. That features are ammonia level high in blood and it causes orotic aciduria. Orotic aciduria. What disease? Hyperammonemia type 2. Defect of ornithine transcarbamylase enzyme. Third enzyme arginine-succinate synthetase. Block defect of this enzyme causes disease name is called citrullinemia. It leads to autosomal recessive inheritance and high blood level of ammonia and citrulline. Third enzyme arginine-succinate synthetase causing disease name is called as citrullinemia. Fourth enzyme name is called as arginine-succinate lyase enzyme. It causes a defect of this enzyme. It causes disease name is called as arginine-succinic aciduria. Disease name arginine-succinic aciduria. That features are arginine-succinate in blood and urine. Characteristic friable, brittle, tufted hair. So final enzyme name is called arginase. It causes disease name is called that defect of arginase enzyme. It causes disorder name is called hyperarginemia. There will be accumulation of arginine, increases in blood and CSF. These are the disorders. Notes format. Urea cycle first page. 5 enzymes. This is short description of urea cycles and disorders or defect of these 5 different type of enzyme. Thanks for watching.